Good morning, Mr.
Hey guys, how are you? Good morning.
Fine, thank you.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, Hassan. How are you? Serene, Sabine, Malak. كل عام
Fine.
وانتم بخير.
بخير.
وأنت بخير.
How was your Eid?
Fine. Fine.
Great. That's great. I missed you guys. I missed you so much.
You too.
Thank you. Rimas, Tala, Saad, how are you?
موجودة. Thank you.
Hey, I missed you so much, guys. Farhana, how are you?
Fine.
Great. How was your Eid vacation?
Nice.
Great.
Hi.
Hi, Sarah, how are you?
Fine.
Great. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. First of all, I wish you had a great Eid vacation. Inshallah, today we were going to complete our topic, which is talking about patterns. And today, inshallah, we will learn how to graph the pattern in the XY coordinate, in the XY plane. Okay? Yalla, let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Today we are on page 602. Okay? So page 602. Okay, let's see what do we have. Are you with me, guys?
Yeah.
Okay, great. So yalla, Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So Jill earns $5 per hour babysitting.
Mister,
Yeah,
which page?
602.
600.
Yeah,
Okay,
so
thank you.
you're welcome. So Robin earns 15 hours per hour teaching ice skating lessons. The girls made a table using the rule add 5 to show Jill's earning and the rule add 15 to show Robin's earnings. Complete the table and then and graph the ordered pair of the corresponding item terms. Okay, let's see that. So we have this situation that we have two persons, Jill and Robin. Now Jill, each hour he took what? $5. And Robin's in each hour he will take what? $15. Okay, so when we start the table at 0 time, both of them doesn't have anything, still having zeros. Now in 1 hour, Jill will have $5 and Robin will have $15. Now in the second hour, I will start by adding up what? By adding fives. You see that? So 5, 10, 15. So he will be what? He will be a 20, right?
One. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Now for Robin, 0, 15, 30, 45,
60.
60. Excellent. So here we have 60.
We
Okay.
add 15.
Yes, excellent. So here each time we add 5, and here each time we are adding 15. Do you see? Use the rule add 5 here, and use the rule add 15. Okay. Now complete the table. We've done that.
Which page?
602. Page 602. Okay. Now we completed the table. Now I want to graph this table. Okay, I want to graph it. Okay, now to graph a table, we need to start by doing one thing, which is what? By writing the ordered pairs. Okay, so step number one, let's write it here. Write the ordered pairs. Okay, so write the ordered pairs. Now, how to write the ordered pairs? Now look, the ordered pairs are the elements of the table. Okay, just wait. Okay, sorry for that. I was saying the ordered pairs are the elements of the table. So I will take what? 0 with 0, 5 with 15, 10 with 30, 15 with 35, 20 with 60. Okay, these are the ordered pairs. And to write them, I will open a bracket. This is 0 for Jill, and this is 0 for Robin. Now, this thing, I call it what? An ordered pair. Okay, this is an ordered pair. Okay, now let's write the second one. What do we have? We have 5 with 15, right? This is the second ordered pair. Now, the third one will be what? 10 with 30, right? And after that, we have 15 with 45.
40.
Sorry, yeah. Is there a question, guys?
No.
And after that, what do we have? We have 20 with
See, 60.
60. No, these are called what? These called the ordered pairs. Okay, guys, it's called what? The ordered pairs. Is there any problem with that?
No.
No.
Great.
No, thank you.
Now, after we wrote the ordered pairs, all I need to do what now is to plot them, to plot these ordered pairs on the XY coordinates. Okay. Now let's see that. Let's see that. I will go here. I've prepared for you like the XY plane. Let's see it. I've prepared for you the XY plane. So this is the XY plane. Okay. You will see something like that. Now I want to graph my points here. Now again, my points was, let's write it in here. So it was 0, 0, right? And then we have 5 with 15. Now we have 10
10
with
30.
30, and we have 15 with 45.
45
Yes, excellent. 15 with
and 20.
45.
Where are you writing?
Can't you
20.
see my writing here, guys?
No, you see it.
Okay, great. And we have, after that, we have 20 with 60, right?
Yeah.
20.
Mister, I can't see your writing.
You can or you can't?
Can't.
Okay, wait.
Me too. Mister, did you write something new now?
Yes, I'm writing. Can't you see it?
No, you're
Oh
not.
my God.
Mister.
Yeah, yeah. Now, can you see it?
Yeah.
Can you see it now?
Yes. Now we can.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mister, but
So-
I have a question.
Yes.
Why we bought a 20 and 16?
60, not 16, 60.
60.
Yes, because in the table, look here. Let's go for the table. In the table, we have a missing number, okay? We need to find it in number 4.
Okay.
So every time for Jill, we add what? We add 5. So the next one will be what? 20.
50.
20. 50. 15 plus 5, 20. And for Robin, each time we are adding what? 15. So 45 plus 15, 60. So the number he will be 20 and 60. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So let's back here. And now we have these ordered pairs. Now we want to graph these ordered pairs. Now we say that in the ordered pair, the first number refers for the x coordinate, right? And the second number refers for y coordinate, right? So the first number, I need to put it in the x axis, and the second number, I need to put it in the y axis. So the first point is x0 and y0. So x0, this is x equals 0, right? And y0, also this is y equals 0. So this is the origin point. I will call it what, guys? The origin point, okay? 0, 0, it's the origin point. So the first point will be here. This represents 0 with 0, okay? Now, the second point, x equals 5 and y equals 15. How to do that? Now look, this is x equals 5, right? I will go up to y equal 15. So it will be something like here, right? Between the 10 and 20, right, guys?
Yeah.
So I will put it here. So this is my second, sorry. This is my second point here. Now the third point is 10 with 30. This is x equals 10. Then go up to y equals 30. This is the third point that we will have. So always you start by the x coordinate and then go up for the y coordinate, okay? So the next one, 15 with 45. X equals 15. This is x equals 15. And y equals 45. It will be like here, right?
It will be in between the 40 and the 50.
Yes. Now, after that, we have 20 with 60. So this is a 20 for the x coordinate. I will go up to the 60. So my next point will be here. Is there any problem how to graph the ordered pairs, guys?
No.
No, thank you.
Now, after that,
No.
what you will do, you will match your point with a straight line like this. And that's it. We've done. We graph.
Mister,
Yes.
the final exam will be a Google form or a PDF.
Yeah, sure.
Don't worry about that now. You need to understand how to graph, and don't worry about how the exam will be, okay?
Okay.
So is there any problem, guys, how to graph the ordered pairs?
No.
Great. Yes, Ahmed? Yes, Ahmed?
So can I go to the bathroom?
Yeah, sure. Okay. Now, let me ask you a question now. Based on these ordered pairs, do you notice any relationship between Jill and Robin? Look for the numbers. Look for the numbers. Look for x and y. Can you see any relationship between x and y?
Mr. Multiply by 3.
Mister,
Excellent. Yeah. So as you see here, always Robin 3 times Jill, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
I
So
was
this is,
gonna say it.
yes.
I didn't understand it.
You didn't understand what?
The line.
The line? Did you understand how we graph these points?
Yeah.
Now, after you finish graphing this point, just match them by a line. That's it.
يعني we have 5, 15. We bought 5 point.
No. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Now, I want to graph these points, okay? I want to graph it. Okay, Salma? Now, we have what? We have this
Okay.
ordered pair. Now, each ordered pair, Salma, represent 1 point, okay? So, for example, let's take this point. Let's take this point. Do you see this point, Salma?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Now, this point, I can represent it as ordered pair by doing like this. Here, I will put the x coordinate for this point. So what is the x coordinate for this point?
The 5.
5. And here you will put the y coordinate of this point. What is the y coordinate for this point?
10.
10. So 5 and 10 in the xy coordinate is represented by a point. Can you see that?
Yeah.
Now, to understand this, to more understand this, guys, do you know what that means? What is the order pair means? It means an address. Do you know what address means? Hello?
Hello.
Do you know what address means?
No.
Address.
أستاذ
Yes.
عنوان.
Yes, excellent. Your home address. So if I ask you now, yeah, Saad, Taya Saad.
Yes.
Now, if I ask you, what is the address of the IGA school? What you will tell me? You will tell me that it's in Petra Street, right? In Irbid,
Yeah.
right? This is an address.
Yeah.
So the address tells me what? Tells me how to go there, right?
Yeah.
Or what is the position of that thing, right, guys?
Right.
Do you understand for now? So the order pair is an address for a point. So for example, let's take this point, for example. Let's take this point. Now, I'm asking myself, how can I reach this point? Do you know what that means? That means suppose that there is a man who is standing here at 0, point. He's standing here at the origin. There's a man is standing here at the origin, okay?
Star,
Yes?
I didn't understand.
Yeah, stay with me. I'm just explaining what is the ordered pair, okay? I'm saying that the ordered pair, ya Ghassan, is an address, okay? تعال يا Ghassan. Suppose this is your home, okay? This is your home. H means home, okay? And this is your school, okay?
Okay.
Now, you want to go to school, okay? But you need like an instructions how to reach there, okay? You need an instructions how to reach your school, okay?
Okay.
Now, to do that in math, I'm giving you an address, okay? So for example, I will give you this address, 10 with 40, okay? Now, how to read this?
Okay.
How to read this? This 10 means that you need to walk 10 steps to the right, okay?
Okay.
So now you are standing here at 10, right?
Okay. Yeah.
Now then, I told you that go up to the north 40 steps. So now you will go 40 steps. Now you are standing here. So you reached your school. You see that?
Yeah.
So,
Mister,
yes.
يعني you will put like 10, 40, and we need to like put
The point. You need to put
the
the
line
point.
and the
You need
yeah
to
on
put
the line.
Yes, not on the line, on the XY coordinate. Let me give you another example. Now, suppose I give you this one, 5 with 20.
I'm understanding what you mean.
Wait, I'm having this order there. This give me what? This give me an address for a point, okay? Now, where is this point? Let's try to find it, okay? Now, 5 means you walk 5 steps on the X coordinates. So now you are standing here, right, at the 5. Then 20 means go to the north, go up 20 steps. So now you're here, and that's done. So this is the point, right? Right?
Yeah.
So this point has an address. How can I reach it? And this is the address of it. This address called what? An ordered pair. Okay?
Okay.
Now, what we're trying to do, that I'm having these ordered pairs. Okay? We are having now these ordered pairs. Now, these ordered pairs, each one of it represents a 1 point. Okay, yes, Salma? Each ordered pair of this represents a 1 point. So, for example, 0, 0, it's the origin point. It's here. So this is the first point. Okay? Salma. Hello? Guys, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay, now 5
Yeah.
and 15. This is another point that I need to draw. I need to graph 5 with 15. So start by moving 5 steps to the right and then 15 steps to up. And here is your second point. Right? Now, after that, we have 10 with 30. So this is 10. You will go up to 30. And this is your third point. Then you have 15 with 45. This is 15 and you go up for 45. So here, like for the fourth point. And then you have a 20 with 60. This is a 20 and this is 60. So this is your fifth point. Sorry, what is that? This is your fifth point, right? Did you understand how I graphed these points? Each one of these points is represented by one ordered pair. This ordered pair tells me what is the position of that point in the XY coordinate. It's an address, right? Okay, so after that, because we are graphing like many points, okay, I can match them with a straight line like this, okay, and that's it. We've done. Is there any problem with that?
No.
No, thank you.
Great.
Mister, can you let us solve?
What?
يعني تخلينا نحل كل واحد.
Yeah, sure, just wait. Now, after that, we've said that, now we can see that the y coordinate is always 3 times the x coordinate. That's the relationship here between x and y. The y coordinates are always 3 times the x coordinates, right? Right?
Yes.
Okay.
Right.
Now let's go back to the book. And as you can see here, they have did like what we did. They have done what we did. Okay. They're starting by graphing, by writing the ordered pairs. Okay. Now after they wrote the ordered pairs, they graphed the ordered pairs as you can see here. Okay. It's the same as what we did. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, Mister, but this one is so much smaller.
Yeah, it's still the same, even if it's smaller, because we are having here a larger XY coordinates. It's still the same. Okay, yeah, Sarah?
I know, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, okay. So what does the 0.00 represents? It represents the origin point, right? It has a name. Its name is what? The origin point. Write that here. 0, 0. It's the origin point. Okay. The origin point. Okay. The origin point is what? Is 0, 0. Okay. Let me write that here. 0, 0 is the origin point. Okay. Why it's called the origin point? Because I'm always starting from 0, 0. Okay. Okay, guys.
Okay.
Okay.
Great. Now let's go to the. Do you know how? Okay. Now let's see here. Do you understand an example? In this example that we solved now. What order pair you would write for how much Jill and Robin have each earned after 5 hours? Now, can you solve that now in your notebook and sorry, in your book?
25, 75.
After 5 hours. Now look here in the table, we've done the 4 hours by adding 5.
25.
Yeah, so for Jill, it's 25. What about Robin?
75.
Brilliant. That's so brilliant. So guys, if we did here like for 5, so each time you will add here what? 5. So here's the 20. And then he will have 25, right? What about here?
Yeah.
60. Sorry.
We
And
add
then
15.
75. You add 15.
Yeah.
You see that, guys?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excellent. So now let's go to you know how. So Sam and Eric record the total number of miles they walked in 1 week. Sam walks for 2 miles each a day. Eric walks 4 miles each a day. Okay, did you understand the question?
Oh,
Do you understand the case here? We have 2 persons. One of them walking 2 miles each day, and the second one walk 4 miles each day. Okay, now what the first question? What order pair represent the number of miles each has walked in after
14.
7 days? Now, can you do that for me, please?
Okay.
Question 3.
3, yes.
I'm
Question number 3. Wait, guys, let me see. Just wait, please. Muhammad, can you make it? Yes, excellent, Muhammad. Thank you.
Welcome.
What about the others? Excellent. Yes, Rimas. But Rimas, please close the parentheses from the other side. Excellent. Thank you. Thank you, Rimas. Thank you, Salma. That's excellent. Brilliant, Kala. Thank you. What about the others? Sarah, thank you. Can you make it closer, please? Yes, now, Ahmed, you're right, but I want you to write these 2 numbers in an ordered pair. Okay, Ahmed? Thank you, Farhana. Excellent. That's brilliant. Thank you. Hassan or Serene, thank you so much. Now, let's do it together. ملاك، سعد خريس، طارق عشمان، غسان، رانيا، محمد سعادة، وحسن حجير. Thank you, Ahmed. Excellent. Thank you. Serene or Hassan, thank you so much. Okay, now let's do it together. Okay, so what order pair represents the number of miles each day they are walked after 7 days. So let me explain that for you. Now look here. I can solve this in many ways.
We multiply by 2.
Yes, there are many ways to solve that. The first way that you can use a table. Okay, you can use, let me draw a good table here. I will use this table here. Okay, look, the first way is to use a table. Okay, now this table you will divide it like this. Now day 1, day number 2, day number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days. We have 7 days. Let's write that here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. These are the 7 days, right? Now look, they told me that Sam walks 2 miles each day. So I will use the rule that add 2, right? So 2 miles, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12,
12,
14.
14,
Yes. And now for Eric, you will use the rule add 4. So 4,
4,
8. If you keep adding 4, adding
12.
4s, you will have
12.
here 28.
10,
And the 7th day, you will have 14
12,
with 28. So the order pair, because he want what? The order pair. The order pair will be what? 14
14
with
20,
7. Sorry, yeah, so with 28.
28.
Yes, with 28.
8.
Okay. Now,
Yeah.
what relationship you notice
Multiply by
between the
2.
total number of miles Sam and Eric have each walk?
Multiply by 2.
Yes, I can say that here. You can write that with me. So, Eric is 2 times more than
More than
Sam, right? You can write that.
4.
Is there any problem with that, guys?
No.
Now, who can tell me why
No.
did I use this way to solve this question? I know there are many ways to solve this one. For example, you can multiply 7 times 2 and 7 times 4, and you will have 14 and 28. That's correct, right? But who can tell me why did I choose to solve the question using the table? Do you have any idea?
Mr. So it would be easier.
This is the first thing, that it will be easier. The second
To
thing,
have order pairs.
shows you, yes, excellent, Muhammad. The second thing is it shows you how did they goes up. Now the third thing is to write the ordered pairs. You can write here, you can find all the ordered pairs. And the last thing is, maybe in the independent practice, you will see an extra question, and that question will be what? Graph the relationship between Sam and Eric. And in order to graph it, you need to what? You need to build the table, and you need to write the ordered pair. And after that, you need to graph them in the XY plane. Okay? So for now, whenever you have something like this, I recommend you to write the ordered pairs in a table. So you still have all the ordered pairs, so you can graph it in the next question. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Let's go down to see if that is here or
محمد
not.
تعال نورجيه هذا اللي خليناه.
So guys, can you see here? We have this question, okay? which is number 5 to 8. In question number 8, they ask you to graph the order pair. Okay, so in order to graph the order pair, you need to have a table like this. Okay, okay, guys.
Okay.
Is there any question?
No.
Thank you.
Great. That's it for
No,
today. Don't forget to solve the independent practice and please send me your work. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Okay, that's it for today. Thank you and have a great day. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.